Saturday morning, Tropical Storm Fay has hit and it's raining. Here's the pond. I'm out here again, it's raining like cats and dogs. Checking the rain gauge. 3 inches, and the other day, or yesterday, it was 3 3/4 plus another inch. So we're really getting some rain. You see the water is accumulating in the yard. It's the holding pond of the neighborhood, filled to capacity and overflowing. Back there, I don't know if you can see, there's another pond. It's quite high. It's up there in their yard, up there close to their trampoline and their swimming pool. And that will overflow and go down in our backyard. It's our house. There's some water in our yard. Usually if it's a really big storm, it'll flow right across here and go down there. Somebody has a tree split. If a house was going to flood in this neighborhood, that'd be a prime house right there. Well, is that damage to our tree? I mean to our fence. It looks like it was hit. The pine tree hit it and knocked our brand new gate fence. What a crying shame. There's your water. There's quite a few people out here on this road, I'm surprised. And the street light is out, so I gotta be careful. Where's all these people coming from? Here's the golf course. This will overflow here if you get too much rain. It's pretty high. Hey Panda, what's going on? What's going on? You like this rain? Huh? I opened the gate here to my fence to allow unrestricted flow of water, which is the wise thing to do, because this is sheet flow. Sheet flow. The wind is blowing pretty potent at the moment. I have a river. I have a stream. Flowing at a pretty big clip. My neighbor's yard. I hope I don't get flooded. pretty deep. The water continues to rise. Going to be up in that shed here shortly. The pond is finally overflowing. There's the pond. The only place it can go when it overflows is right down through here, out through my backyard, and hopefully continue on. It's up to my ankles. Won't be long and that'll be underwater. Check my neighbor's backyard. Hopefully I won't trip in this pond. Could be a moccasin out here. I'm almost up to my knees. See? I've inherited some timber here I see floating down. I'm up to my knees right here in my backyard. You see it. So far we've had probably 16, 17 inches of rain according to my gauge. Alright, here we go again, the same little routine. It's definitely getting worse. Just going across here. Here's that house again. I told you that if something was going to flood, that would be a prime suspect. So low to the ground. Look in the back. I certainly hope they aren't flooding. Our neighborhood is very flat, as you can obviously see. Water's up, rising up to the almost close to the road. Still draining there, surprisingly. Here's another shot of the golf course. As you can see, the water has come up quite a bit. Wouldn't take much to be over this road. Right here, jam full. We got some flooding over there. I don't